Hi everyone, in this video I updated how to use Google Forms and to create Google Forms. Right, go to Google first, type Google Forms and give enter. This is to produce Google Form in your mobile. Right, here one website will be there, Google Forms free online survey. Click that. While entering, it will ask you your mobile mail ID. You want to enter your mail ID and you want to log in. Here already I have entered my mail ID, so directly I am going to personal, business. Two options will be there. You want to go to personal, go to Google Forms. You want to click go to Google Forms. In that, one form will be open and there will be many questions there. In that form title, first you want to change whatever it is. First, you for your remembrance you can give a standard. Maybe I am giving 6th social. And any descriptions you can give, aptitude or chapter name or whatever it is. And here first number 1 they want to enter their name, so give name. So it should be in short answer type. They want to type their name, so you choose the options. From this you will have many options, short answer, paragraph, multiple choice. So choose short answer and click required here. So if you click this required, the student should enter this, otherwise they cannot able to submit the form. Right, then here in left corner, in mobile, I am saying in mobile, in left corner one plus symbol will be there. If you are touching that, another option will be open. In that you can give class. This is also you can give us a short answer format, and you can give required here. And again they want to enter their sections, right? So give again plus, and you can give here sec or section fully. So particularly we are having maybe A, B, C, D, like that we are having. So you go with multiple choice form itself. Choose the option 1. I am giving section A, option B, section B, and option C, section C, option D, section D. And I am giving required. If I am giving required, they should enter the particular column, otherwise they cannot able to submit the forms. Right, so first I have given the name of the form and description of the form, then name of the student. It should be in short answer type, and we are having one red mark here. I gave required no, so if they are entering only, they can able to submit the form. Name, class, and section will be in multiple choice format. Right, now I am going to next section. I am going to enter next section. Here this is section 2. You can change the name, chapter 1 year. Description you can give aptitude, whatever you want you can give, and you can give plus symbol. Before doing that, in settings here, if there will be 3 dots, if you are going there, the settings will be there. In that it will have 3 options: general, presentation, and quizzes. You choose that and make this quiz, enable that and save it. Now the section 2 you can enter here. It will be in quiz format. Number 1, you can start to type the questions. Which is our planet? For sample I am giving. And then you can add multiple options. Yes, same multiple options, and you can give 3 or 4 options here. If you are touching that add option itself, you can able to type there. and in left corner one blue color tick mark will be there. Just touch that. So here in right corner it will ask how much points this question carries. So here you can type whatever it is. This is 1 mark question, so I am giving us 1. If it is short answer type, you can give it as 3, whatever you want. So I am giving this question, for this question 1 mark, 1 point, and you want to select the correct answer. I am choosing the correct answer and choose the correct answer and give done. In this portion you want to do give the points, that means marks, how much marks this question carry, and select the correct answer and touch done. It is done. And here also you enter required. Everyone should answer the question, so give required. And again to add another question you can give plus here, and you can start typing second question. This is also multiple choice. I am giving the options here. And now I am going to give the correct answer here, blue color button, and you can give points as 1, and you can choose the correct answer here and you can touch done again. And like this you can add till I think it is 30 questions you can add in this form. And after finishing the form, just go here and one arrow mark will be there. Just touch that. So in that 2 options will be there, whether you want to send the link through mail or through WhatsApp. So I'm going to send through WhatsApp. So just click the link here, copy, go to the WhatsApp group, and where you want to paste you can paste it there and you can send there. Or else if you want to send by mail, you can touch this and you can enter the mail ID here. I am entering my mail ID here, and you can give send, and subject whatever it is you can give and send. Touch the button send. Now where these forms are stored, just you can see, or you can view all your forms by touching this one violet color, purple color left side corner, purple color button will be there. Just one folder will be there. Just touch that. There you can able to see all your forms, what and all you have created in this Google Forms. It will be in Google Drives. So either you can see like this, or if you are selecting by the name, you can just touch this. You can see all the forms here, right? Whatever forms you have created, everything will be here. If I want to select this form, just touch that and open in new video. And after sending the link, students will fill that form and they can able to view the score. After they are finishing, immediately they can able to view the score. And how we can able to view the score? Just in this, you can go to the particular form which one you want to view the answers of your students. Go there, and here 2 options will be there: questions, response. Touch response. Here already just a sample question I have created, form I have created. In that I have itself filled many things. So 7 responses are there. So I had filled that form, and it will give average, how much average points the students got, and how many of them attend the things. So how many of them, for first question 7% attend this question, 7, all the 7 are correct. Like that you can see question wise you can see. And if you want to have this for a future, just you go here, touch that dots, 3 dots will be there, touch that, download response. In that just download it. Yes, it is downloaded now, but you should extract that. It will be in zip format. So in right corner, it will ask you a question to extract. Just extract, and you can open in Excel sheet. See here, first the timing will be there, which time the students attend, then scores will be there, and the name of the students will be there, and for each and every question how much marks they have scored, which is the correct answer and which answer they gave, every details will be there. So you can take the screenshots and you can show to your students. And for if you want for future, just you can save this file. If you want this for future, you can save this file in your mobile, and you can keep this in your mail. So you can view all your forms in this. If you are touching this purple color folder, you can see all your forms and you can see all the responses whenever you want, and you can use these forms in the future also. Here if you are touching, you can get all the forms. Clear? Thank you.